Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a card from Google Wallet step by step. So, the tutorial today is how to delete a card from Google Wallet. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. From the home screen, scroll until you find the card you want to remove, then tap on it. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Remove Payment Method. You'll see a confirmation window asking if you're sure. Tap Remove to confirm. Once you do that, the card will be removed from Google Wallet and will no longer be available for mobile payments. And that's it. That's how you remove a card from Google Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Wallet and Android tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.